This week on Air and Outdoors. Hello everyone, welcome once again to Air and Outdoors. An exciting show lined up for you today as the Kentucky Turkey Series gets underway. The youth season is a very special time for us here. In the past several seasons we've been able to tag along with the Hart family, and this past season was no exception. These kids have an unmatched passion for turkey hunting, and you're going to be able to see that on full display. So hop in the truck, let's head to the woods. We hope you enjoy these hunts as much as we enjoyed bringing it to you. This segment has been brought to you by Double X Tackle, makers of the original clear board, the lightest, best pulling planter boards available.
Hello, this is Ralph Stokely from Stokely's Marine. I'd like to invite you down to take a look at the all-new tracker boats. From the Protein 175 to the Protein 190 and the all-new Protein 195, rated for a 150 horsepower. Great fishability with features like recessed foot pedal, 8.5-foot rod boxes, the Revolution hull, to an aerated live well system that's unmatched. So come to Stokely's Marine. We're your authorized tracker boats dealer. We're 4 miles south of Fayette Mall on Nicholasville Road. Let's go to the lake.
Big bucks are not hard to come by. Ask these hunters who have one thing in common. No, we're not talking about big smiles on their faces. All these hunters learn the secret of how to grow big antlers. A product that requires no planning. A product that's easy to use and is guaranteed to grow buck's antlers to their full potential. It all starts here with the brand Lucky Buck. Guaranteed to grow bigger bone or your money back.
You're a hunter. You do things right. You've put in your time. You've learned that hard work, dedication, determination, and success are all part of the process. And now you wait for one defining moment. But as a hunter, you've also learned that the most important thing isn't always what you bring back, but what's waiting when you get there. Harnesses, safe lines, and accessories, keeping you safe every step of the way.
Well, Archer's on the board with a great shot. One thing about him, you don't have to push these kids to pull the trigger. Great shot, Archer.
Those birds came from right up on this ridge. They come in silent.
Archer, that has some nubs for spurs.
We're set up right there. See the chairs.
I used to have a blind where those
Hey, he
chairs
can do
are.
it this year. Look, he can do it.
Who's up next?
Huh?
Who's up next?
Me? No.
Give him to take it off.
After a slow mid-morning hunt, we decided to go on back to the truck and regroup. And right before we get to the truck, we hear a bird hammer close down an old logging road. Avery's back up to bat. Let's see if we can't get on another bird.
shaking so bad.
Unreal, man. Unreal, standing up. Let's go. I didn't get the kill shot, but he went right behind that. I didn't want to move too much. Oh my gosh, good job. What the heck? That was awesome. Standing here. Just standing here. On this haul road. Yeah. Yeah, the whole way. I didn't get the lane kill shot because he went behind that, but I got him coming up through there strutting, but I wasn't going to bust it up moving around the side there. I knew she was about to get a shot because he was wanting to come
Well, I
in.
mean, I was standing in the wide open.
Yeah.
He was looking right at me.
Dad, you can't see yourself in that.
You can't see in that. You can't. You
That
can't see
camera
in that. Like, you can't see yourself. Well, I was going to see him through there, but then I thought there's too many tree limbs.
He was going to come around and at least see what was there on this side right here.
Either that or he was going to skirt.
Yeah.
Skirt.
Yeah, if he had.
Because I told her, I said, can you shoot one if
If he'd got by us, he'd come right through.
Let's go get it.
No, you have to find me one.
We got to find
No.
You gotta find you.
Yeah, you just got kind of caught up in the bad situation there.
But I mean, when he gobbled, he was like right there.
Cause
Yeah, we were like right here.
Dad told us to stay with them, and she didn't listen.
What?
I didn't mean for both of you to stay.
Well, I was supposed to go next, not her.
Well, sorry.
She just took it on one night.
You just stood there.
Well, let's go see
Because
how
he
big he
told us
is.
not to move.
Come on. Come on, Ralph. Oh, and then that hurt.
Yeah.
Oh, well, I'm sorry, my legs are shaking. I'm standing.
Look at his spurs. Let's see what
Hey guys, it's Blake with Aaron Outdoors. Be sure to head on over to our YouTube page and click that subscribe button with notifications on so you can keep up with all the latest content.
Hello, this is Ralph Stokely from Stokely's Marine. I'd like to invite you down to take a look at the all-new tracker boats. From the Pro Team 175 to the Pro Team 190 and the all-new Pro Team 195, rated for a 150 horsepower. Great fishability with features like recessed foot pedal, 8.5-foot rod boxes, the Revolution hull, to an aerated live well system that's unmatched. So come to Stokely's Marine. We're your authorized tracker boats dealer. We're 4 miles south of Fayette Mall and Nicholasville Road. Let's go to the lake.
Big bucks are not hard to come by. Ask these hunters who have one thing in common. No, we're not talking about big smiles on their faces. All these hunters learn the secret of how to grow big antlers. A product that requires no planning. A product that's easy to use and is guaranteed to grow buck's antlers to their full potential. It all starts here with the brand Lucky Buck. Guaranteed to grow bigger bone or your money back.
You're a hunter. You do things right. You've put in your time. You've learned that hard work, dedication, determination, and success are all part of the process. And now you wait for one defining moment. But as a hunter, you've also learned that the most important thing isn't always what you bring back, but what's waiting when you get there. Harnesses, safe lines, and accessories, keeping you safe every step of the way.
Oh, man. Dadgummit. I wish I'd been on him a little bit better, but
Hey, that was all we could do.
yeah, I mean that situation.
That's all
I'm
we
just
can
glad I got him strutting down through
Yeah.
the road right there. It's pretty.
I'm too afraid he's gonna walk
Good turkey.
Be lighter heavy.
heavy.
You ain't got very far back.
You want to talk about how things change fast?
No, buddy, that's changed
I
fast.
mean, we were about to go back to the truck and regroup or something.
Well, when you got that many in the morning around you.
He hammered. I mean, he gurgled. I mean, he was that close.
Yeah, and then I was scared to go
I
around
heard
the
that.
side.
And I turned around and I said, "Did you hear that?" And she said,
Did you?
"Yeah." I said, "He's down there strutting somewhere." But I thought of course, I heard it coming up that drain.
Yeah.
Man.
See, he was fixing to head right around through there and go right up that drain.
Yeah.
But I was standing skylighted right there in the road. I mean, but I didn't move. I mean, I was just dead still.
Yeah, he was standing like right there,
I knew he had to be really.
and then me and Avery were like right here up against this tree.
When he,
Yeah, I was too afraid to move and do this to shoot.
You don't understand that.
He came strutting right down this road right here.
I'm still shaking.
Well, the next day, Blake and the Harts go back out into the field for what becomes a long day of hunting. But you know what they say, some things are worth waiting for.
Not 100% sure it's just birds. A bird. We've got some bars if you need some. Okay, great.
We hunted hard all day long. The kids are starting to get a little bit restless, and so am I. But Ryan knows if we sit there long enough, there's going to be a big gobbler make a mistake and come into the field.
Alright guys, we've been sitting in the blind about 8 hours now. We've only seen 3 turkeys up until now. We've got 2 long beards out in the field, about 120 yards away, and they're slowly picking this way. We got the kids behind us on the guns. I'm just gonna cross our fingers and hopefully they'll come out and cross right in front of us here. Just gonna be real still and hopefully they'll feed right through. There should be fine.
well, thanks for watching Aaron Outdoors. Be sure to go to our YouTube page, hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with all of our content, and be sure to go and follow us on all of our social media outlets as well.
shooting, girls.
I'm half deaf now, but it's fine.
Yeah, me too. That's what 8 hours will do for you.
That's what 8 hours does. You got it done. It doesn't matter.
My head's pounding again.
I mean,
The other one ran closer. The second one ran closer.
What an awesome moment there in the blind. That's what it's all about.
So I just basically looked around and saw them, and they were coming toward us. So they started picking and slowly moving. And then when they got about 46 yards, she shot and then handed the gun to me, and I shot.
and who's tagged out?
Me!
Who didn't tag out last year?
Me!
That's 4 birds in 2 days.
Good job, girls.
So we just got out of the blind and we're gonna go take a look at our birds and see what we got.
I wonder if they came from.
They came from down.
They came from down there. I didn't know if they come across the
Well, they could have crossed.
gap right there or
Whoa!
straight down.
Oh, well.
Avery saw one there about upstairs.
I saw
I
them
think
when
they
they were
came
done.
from that end.
That's probably his last tracks.
Yep.
See, you couldn't even see those hands.
So after 9 hours sitting in the blind, I looked over my shoulder and seen these 2 longbeards walking slowly towards us. So they were picking around, and finally they got into range. And Addison shot hers at 46 yards and mine at 41. I shot mine at 41.
Oh! Wow. It's pretty cool. I was just
That's an old
randomly videoing.
That's a couple years old.
What? What an ending to a day. Well, that's going to wrap up youth season 2020 for us here. Thanks for watching.
Well, this was an epic youth season for the Hart family. 2 days and 4 tags punched. Couldn't ask for much better there. Next time out, we head back to the Turkey Woods, the family farm. It's the opening morning of turkey season, an exciting time on tap for sure. We want you to tune back in for that. We want to thank you for tuning in to this episode of Aaron Outdoors. We want to thank all of our fine sponsors who make the show possible. Be sure and visit AaronOutdoors.com and all of our social media outlets, and we'll see you next time right back here on Aaron Outdoors.